Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Happy 4th of July. I'm taking a little moment to share with you my wee forest folk that are themed for the 4th of July. Yes, I have the sugar and spice wee forest folk that is themed for the 4th of July just because my mom makes her sugar cookies for all of the holidays. And here she is with her adorable star-shaped cookies with all the sprinkles and her 4th of July apron. I love this mouse. The next mouse we have here is Swimming Pool Party, and this happens to be the very first mouse that I got to kick off my collection here. So this is a special one. And then I have Stars and Stripes, this adorable, very proud little mouse here saluting, and so perfect for the 4th of July. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.